In this tutorial, I will show you perspective grid selection tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. So you can access perspective selection tool from here, which shortcut is Shift plus V. So I am accessing it. After that, first of all, I would like to draw some shapes here. So this is, you can see, left grid was selected. So I am drawing a shape here. Here is in shape. Then I am pressing 2 from keyboard, and this is now green ground panel has been selected. So I am drawing a shape here. You can see I am drawing a shape here and make this color separate so that it can be easily identified. Now I am pressing 3 from keyboard and drawing and shape in here. So I am also changing its color to yellow so that you can easily identify it. So I am making little smaller. Okay, so I am drawing here three shape. I am making it send to back, arrange it send to back so that it can be easily seen. So with selection tool, perspective grid selection tool, you can select this, easily select this. You can move this, but if you use this selection tool, you cannot able to do this. You can see no perspective will be here is no perspective will work. So you need to access this tool and work with this. You can see now perspective is working. If you want to hide this perspective grid, you need to hold down Ctrl plus Shift and press I. You can see now the grid has been hidden. So if you want to back it, Ctrl Shift plus I, press it again. Also, if you, here is another shortcut, you can push this. If you click here and hold down 5 from the keyboard, 5, you can push it back. You can see you can push it back. Also hold down 5, you can push it back. Also I am holding down 5 and I can move it to upper part. Also if you copy it and paste in front, now holding down, click here and holding down 5, you can make it and copy and place it. Also copy it and paste in front and holding it and holding down 5, you can move it to here. Now I am Ctrl Shift I, pressing Ctrl Shift I, and you can see the cylinder, the box or the cartoon shape. So that was for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.